How to backup data from Viber. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to backup your messages and picture on Viber. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Viber app on your phone. And once it's opened, simply look at the bottom menu and tap on More. And it's the last option on the right. Now, in this menu section, you will see several options. From there, simply tap on Settings to access all the features related to your account and Viber management. Now, from there, simply tap on Account option. Now, from here, simply tap on the option labeled Viber Backup. And now here you will see three options. Start by selecting Auto Backup, where you can set up automatic backups on daily, weekly and monthly basis. Choose the option that works best for you. And additionally, there are two other settings that allow you to include images and videos in your backup. So you can simply enable them by tapping on the circle icon. And if you want to create a backup immediately, just tap on Backup Now and Viber will save your data instantly. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.